Hi, this is Shawn with Extension Gardener on the Crystal Coast. I'm here at the CMAST building here in Morehead City, and we're getting ready to start an installation project of a native plant garden, and it'll be here at the CMAST building. But before we get started with the garden, we're also going to put in a permeable paver walkway. And before we get started with that, I wanted to show a kind of a site overview of what it looks like before, so that we can see if it's improved after. So here is the entryway to the CMAST building. This is what it looks like coming down the walkway from the parking lot. And as you can see right there along the walkway, there's several crepe myrtles. The ones right here in front look like they're just about dead. The others don't look all that much better. Where we're going to focus right now on in the garden is this area right over here. That big square thing with the glass going all the way up is the stairwell and the emergency exit. And in this area here where you can see the white flags blowing in the wind, this is where we're going to install a walkway coming out of the stairwell walkway, or the stairwell exit. And we're going to put a permeable paver walkway. So we're going to be digging a deep trench, and I'll show you more about that as we go. But right now, the grass doesn't look very good. The trees don't look really well. So we're going to be doing a little bit of tree removal, as well as digging this walkway next week and getting it ready to get started. So just a quick look at what it looks like before, and as we go along, I'll do some other short videos, probably just take some photos, just to show you what it looks like before we get started. And then as we go along, I'll show you more when we get to the finish end of it. Hopefully by the end of this summer, it will look completely different. Okay, until next time, happy gardening.